What is friction? Friction arises when two surfaces come in contact with one another. If we were to push a table on a normal surface, for a moment the table will not move. Why is this so? There is another force that is opposing our motion, which is called friction. When one of the surfaces tries to move on the other, the irregularities of both surfaces get interlocked and the frictional force that rises opposes the motion of the body. How does rolling friction help to decrease wear and tear in machinery? When a body rolls on a surface, the force resisting the motion is learned as rolling friction. The action of rolling reduces the friction to a great extent and here makes the movement of an object easier. It also prolongs the life of the moving parts because the surfaces of the parts in contact with one another do not directly rub against each other, which results in wear and tear. Let's perform an experiment to see how rolling friction helps to decrease wear and tear in machinery. For this experiment, we will be using 2 boxes of shuttlecocks and a few marbles. First, when we try to rotate one shuttlecock box over another, there is no rolling friction, and it is hard to rotate. Now, let's see what happens when we place a few marbles on one of the shuttlecock boxes. As we place the marbles, we can observe that we can rotate the box much more easily because of rolling friction. How does rolling friction help to decrease wear and tear in machinery? When we roll the boxes over one another, the friction that arises now is rolling friction, which reduces the area of surfaces in contact with one another. It not only makes the movement smooth, but also helps in reducing wear and tear. This is why rolling friction helps to reduce wear and tear in machinery when ball bearings or roller bearings are used. To get more answers to the latest HOTS questions, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website.